A Cumberland County man is charged after police say he mocked an elderly man wearing a mask and gloves at a grocery store. Police say 57-year-old Daniel Tabusi of Carlisle approached the man Friday during seniors-only hours at the Carnes grocery store in North Middleton Township. They say Tabusi deliberately coughed near the victim and told him he had the coronavirus. The victim was wearing the mask because he's recuperating from pneumonia. Tabusi is charged with terroristic threats, simple assault, and other offenses.